Hi, if you have no sound after a Windows update, don't worry. In this video, I will show you working fixes to restore audio in Windows 11 laptops. Why this happens? This usually happens because the driver issues, wrong audio device selected, or Windows update bugs. Let's fix it step by step. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Fix number 1. Check volume and output device. This is important. Click on the sound icon on the taskbar, then make sure the sound is muted. Check the correct output device, speaker or headphone. Fix number 2. Restart Windows audio services. Press Windows plus R button. Now type services.msc, hit enter. Services window will appear. Find Windows audio in the list. Here it is. Right click on that, then select restart. Once it restarted, check whether you are able to listen the sound. If it is not, then move to the fix number 3. Run audio troubleshooter. This is most effective. Go to Windows search bar and search for settings. Open the settings app, then go to system. Now scroll down, then select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Select audio, then run it. It will fix automatically and you can able to play the audio. Close the windows. Fix number 4. Update or roll back audio driver. Go to the Windows search bar and search for device manager. Open it. Now find sound, video and game controllers. Expand it. Now select the audio driver first. Right click on that, then select properties. Go to driver, go to update driver, select browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Then if any previous version you can find, select the driver and hit next to install. Like that, do for other drivers which is installed. Go to property, driver, update driver, browse my computer. Let me pick and select the previous one and hit next to install. So once you installed it, restart your PC in order to work this effectively. Fix number 5. Reinstall audio drivers. Again, open the device manager, go to sound, video and game controllers. Right click on the audio driver, then select uninstall device. It asks you to uninstall the driver. Don't worry, just uninstall it, because once you reboot your system, Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. So once you uninstall, just restart your PC. If it is still not works, don't worry. Move to the fix number 6. Set default audio devices. Press Windows plus R to open the run window. Now type mmsys.cpl. Hit enter. Go to playback tab. Right click on the speakers, then test it. If it is not works, select the another speaker and select set as default device. So once you set it default, just save OK. Fix number 7. Disable audio enhancements. Go to the Windows search bar and search for sound settings. Open the app, then select the default speaker. Click on it, scroll down. Under the advanced settings, you can find audio enhancements. Select it as off. Once you disable the all enhancements, restart your system. Guys, important note, if sound works on headphones but not speakers, the issue is hardware or output selection. And after applying these steps, your sound should be restored in Windows 11. And that's it guys. If this helped you, like and subscribe to FIXsage for real Windows fixes. Comment your issues, I will help you. Bye bye.